Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option, how to make a screenshot and how to record our phone's screen using quick settings menu in Realme 14 Pro phone. So how to access quick settings? On the main screen we need to swipe from the top edge down again, and here we are looking for the screenshot here and screen record here. So to take a screenshot we simply need to tap it once. Screenshot has been made. Then again we need to open our quick settings. Now we're looking for the recording option. Here it is. Tap it once. Yes please, start recording. And now it's recording at the top, as you can see. So to stop it we need to tap the option here, then tap stop, and as you can see our screen recording has been saved to our gallery. And that's basic, and that's it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Have a nice day and see you